take a seat. This life is for the living. Get the photo. Every day that you're living. Celebrate the life. I got to hear Life here, Gideon Festival, day 1.
I went there with my best friend, cooler than them, we can get friends,